Pam Thompson.
Yes.
She's Pam No Show.
We call her Pam No Show.
I gotta tell them no show.
All right.
They can ask me why, and I'm gonna tell them the medical reason.
It could.
I'll be with you most of your trip today. There's going to be one point in time, well, it's going to be two, but basically one point in time that I will not be with you, and that's when you go down and you do the power plant tour. Everybody here purchased the power plant tour, whether they know it or not, and you're going to be going down about 528 feet in an elevator down to the inside the dam. And you'll see the generators, the big turbines, you'll see the big plumbing, the pipes, the ground is shaking from the water passing through. I don't go down there, it's way too dangerous. But even though you see these big beautiful buildings and all this nice architecture, it's still the Mojave Desert. You can't take that away. And what that means is, it's the driest desert in the United States.
Wow.
46,000 square miles. The smallest desert in the United States. And as far as driest, 4.5 inches of rain per year on the average. And the humidity runs 8 to 10% on an annual basis. What that means to you guys is the air is so dry, it pulls the moisture out of you like a sponge would absorb moisture. But in reverse, it's taking it out of you. That's your first sign.
Wow.
So, what I need everybody to do is stay hydrated. Now, I know a lot of you are going to say, oh, we hydrated all night, martinis, whiskey sour. That's not the kind of hydration we're talking about. We're talking about clear bottled water. I've got it right here. I've got plenty on board. Clear water, ice cold, on ice. Very important to stay hydrated, okay? So don't forget, it's here, it's for you, it's your water. Take it, please. The state of Nevada has more named mountain ranges than all of Alaska. Can you believe that? That's known as El Dorado Valley. Running parallel to us a little bit further than the valley is a mountain range. That's known as the El Dorado Mountains. It's a historical site. So much U.S. history took place in that canyon, at that gold mine. It's unbelievable.